So next we'll focus on the top pages. So these are your top pages, and this is Ahrefs pretty much taking all of their data, right? They've got a whole bunch of data for your organic keywords. They know how much traffic each keyword's getting, where you're ranking, what page is ranking, all that kind of stuff. So it's saying here that the most important page for this website is /air conditioning /air conditioner repairs, with the top keyword air conditioning repair, and it's saying that it on average gets 1,400 traffic a month, and the value of that is $6,252. In this keyword, there's 186 keywords linking to this page. So this is really useful to know, so you can see sort of which pages you should be focusing on, whether it be, air conditioning repairs, home security, and then you can sort of work out, all right, well, actually home security is going to be really valuable for my business. We know we make a lot of margin off that. Let's see what sort of keywords in here we can push up and optimize for. So it might be that you want to focus more on CCTV cameras. That's going to push some additional traffic to this page, and then start pushing this up on this top pages list. So there's a lot of data that you can get here and sort of focus your SEO campaign, because this gives you the idea of which pages are working, which pages aren't, which pages you think you can push up further. That's all for this part of the Ahrefs walkthrough. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check back soon for the next part.